Hi there, it's Hélène again with another video. Thank you for joining me. I thought I would do a very quick update to my skincare routine for you. Once in a while I change up my skincare, and I did do an intro on doing a brand new focus on skincare as a series, just like I do for makeup. And so this is, I guess, my start to it. And I thought I would introduce the products that I'm using right now as a brand new focus, or a continuing on of what I am using at this current time, in order for you to know what my current routine is. Some of the products I'm going to show you are Old Faithfuls, and some of the products I'm going to show you are newer. So let's go with how we apply makeup to begin with, and I will show you from start of the day to end of the day what it is that I'm using. So first off, I will often cleanse my face, and for that I am using the Sephora Total Purify and Cleanse Gel, and this is the green tea extract gel. I have quite a few of these. I really like them. When I tried my first one and I found that I loved them, I did buy a number of extras. Cleanser doesn't last all that long, and I'm working through these this year. I will also use a toner. The toner that I'm using right now is the Joe Fresh. It is the Refresh Facial Toner. And as you can see, I'm making some decent progress on this one. It is not my favorite, but it is okay. If you're wondering what my favorite is right now, it's the Pixie Glow Tonic is my favorite. So then after the toner, I will use an oil. I have used recently a few samples of the Biossance Squalane oil. One was Squalane and one was vitamin C rose oil. But the one that tends to be my go-to, that I think is a really decent price and works fine, is the argan oil from Physicians Formula. So that is what I have had as a go-to as an oil. So once I have cleansed and toned my face, I will definitely use an oil, because I find that cream products are not sufficient for me. So speaking of cream, that is the next step, and the cream that I'm using right now is the Olay Luminous. And I have talked about this cream before, because I did purchase this not that long ago, probably a month ago. I'm about 3/4 of the way through this one. This is what it looks like inside. And it does come, as is normally the case, it does come with a little sealing cap here. And it does help with even out the tone of my skin, and I really appreciate it. And it does have a very nice smell. Now, when I can get this on sale, it is a very cost-effective cream. I can end up getting it, it's 50 ml. I can end up getting this for about $28 Canadian when I'm very careful and wait for a good sale at Shoppers Drug Mart. I should mention, this one was $11 or so. This one was ridiculously discounted. I got it for about $5. It's a basic toner. There's nothing fancy about it. The argan oil I got, I think, for about 10 bucks. Again, all of it, I only buy stuff on sale. So that's that. And so I have my oil, I have my cream, then I'll go into primer and makeup after that. Now, toward the end of the day, what do I do? I am currently using the Sephora Cleansing Oil in Balm. Now, I just bought this recently, and I'm working through the pharmacy, this one, and I'll also try the Clinique, but that will come later. So right now, the primary one that I'm using on a day-to-day basis is this one. I love the fact that it comes with a spatula, and you'll see that there's space for the spatula on here, and then this is what it looks like inside. There we go. And sorry guys, I bumped the camera. And it has, I mentioned this before, it has a rose scent. And when I looked at the ingredients, I went, well, duh, because the ingredients, I think it's on here, maybe not. It's supposed to be 3 rose oils that are used to make this balm. And I thought I read this somewhere. Oh yeah, there we go. 3 flower waxes is what's in here, and it is 3 fluid ounces or 90 ml. So it's a fair amount, and I ended up getting this for $12.50 Canadian, I think. It's on right now on the Canadian Sephora site for $15 Canadian, which I think is still a really great price for this. And I do have a couple of backups of this. Once I started using the first one, I went, oh, this is actually really good. So I bought a couple more. So I'm kind of on a Sephora product kick, because you'll see a lot of the products that I'm using are Sephora. So once I have cleansed, I will use a Garnier micellar waterproof, like a micellar water, waterproof micellar water for the rest of my face. But this I use mostly on my eyes and on my lips, so I don't have to tug at those sensitive areas. And if you're curious, this is the micellar water that I use. It is the basic Garnier micellar water, skin active, very happy with it. All right, now that my face is clean, sometimes I will go and cleanse again. It just depends on what I feel like it needs. So, I mean, the waterproof makeup remover from Garnier does say that it cleanses and refreshes, but I sometimes just don't feel like my skin is clean enough, so I will go and cleanse with a gentle cleanser like the Sephora Green Tea Cleanser. And then I start in with my serums and whatnot. So my go-to first step is the Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum. This is what it looks like. I roll it up. That's what it looks kind of funny. And it does come with a pump, which I appreciate. So somewhere between 3 and 4 pumps per evening is what I tend to use. And I use it not only on my face, but also under my chin and onto my décolleté. And it absorbs very, very quickly. And gosh, I'm on my, I'm going to say 5th or 6th one of this. And I don't foresee myself not using it in the future. And again, I buy this when it is on sale. I can usually get it for, with all the points discounts and stuff, for about $18. It does sell, I think, regular price for about $36. After I've got my Rapid Wrinkle Repair, I do go in with currently my favorite night serum, which is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. So that's what I'm using right now. And I have the mega big bottle. It's about 3.9 fluid ounces or 115 mil. It's a lot. And it lasts, shoot, a bottle like that lasts over 6 months. It lasts for a very, very long time. Once I have that done, I go in with my night cream. The night cream I'm using right now is the Sephora Total Age Defy night cream. And it looks like this. It is, I think it's 50 mil. Yeah, 50 mil. And it has, again, that protective cap. And this is what it looks like inside, so you can see that I've been using it for a bit. This was a relatively new container. I had just run out of my previous night cream, and so I cracked into this one. This is a backup that I had. This is going to be like my last one of this type of cream from Sephora, and I have paired it with also the Total Age Defy cream for eyes and lips. So I use that as well. Now I do sometimes pair this cream with an eye serum. I'm not using an eye serum on the daily, but I definitely do use them when I have samples. I don't have a go-to eye serum. If you have some that you would like to recommend to me, I am all ears. But for now, I am using copious amounts of this on around my lips and in the smile lines, and also under the eye, right at the top of my brow, here in the middle here to take care of my 11s, and again this on the other side. One last step in my routine is the Paula's Choice Resist Triple Action Dark Spot Eraser BHA 2% Gel. So I use that as my last step. I use it on my cheeks here. I have some discoloration, so I use it here, on the other cheek, and also a little bit right on these sides here. I tend to have some discoloration. I have had huge amount of benefit from this. I almost don't have any more of the discoloration I had. I mean, I used to have big brown spots before I knew any better when I was 35. I'm now 43 and I have way, way, way less discoloration. So I'm very happy with this product. I think it does a great job. This one, along with the Olay Luminous, I think do a fantastic job of just evening out my skin tone. And that's all that I do. I also do use lip mask now and again. I have used the Fresh mask, the Agave lip mask from Bite Beauty, and also sometimes simple is the best. I will coat my lips like crazy with the Burt's Bees. Like, this is just basic stuff, but you can coat it very thick on your lips, especially if your lips are really feeling dry, and it is wonderful. And I also find that I can get away with putting this under lip gloss as well if I really feel my lips need some hydration. So that's it. That is my current daily skin care routine, and I would be curious to hear what your routine is down below, or if you have some product recommendations per my requests, I would be all ears. So thank you for joining me for this video today. I appreciate it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel in general, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.